Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be playing with Microscope again. Most of you have requested using the Microscope on beauty blenders in my previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, by the way, I actually took a look at my skin under the microscope. I saw my blackheads, I saw my breakouts, I saw my veins, my hairs. Oh my goodness, everything that you can imagine. Make sure to watch my previous video. If you have not watched it, I will link it down below. But today, why not go ahead and take a look at our beauty blender. Now, I'm gonna give you guys options in this video so that way you guys get the whole idea. I'm gonna go ahead and test the brand new beauty blender. This is not opened yet at all. I'm gonna go ahead and test the beauty the beauty blender that I just used on my skin. I used my foundation and a little bit of powder as well on the skin with this beauty blender. As you guys can see, it's still fluffy. And I'm also gonna go ahead and take a look at my oldest beauty blenders as well that have not been washed for almost 2 months now, so I have no idea what happened to these beauty blenders. So why not go ahead and start with the brand new beauty blender. Something is wrong with my speech today. Oh my goodness, can you guys see how it feels so good? And by the way, my microscope is plugged in as well. It is ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this brand new one first. Let me go ahead and adjust the zoom a little bit. Wow, can you guys see that? Ooh, the color is beautiful. I love the blue color. Ooh, look at the sponge. Oh my goodness. Who knew that the sponge looks like this under a microscope? That is insane to me. Oh, at the same time, it's so gross. I don't know, it's just cringing me right now. And now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the beauty blender that I just used. So I have no idea what it has. I can see, it's stained a little bit with my foundation and my powder as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one too. Ooh. No joke, I am cringing so bad right now. You guys have no idea. Look at that. Ooh, it's like I'm watching a horror movie. What the hell? The holes are much darker in this one. So this is the cleaner part. As you guys can see, this side is clean. I have not used this side, the middle side. Like this side looks so much darker and dirtier, as you guys can see, the holes. But the cleaner side, look how clean it looks. Ooh, it's like a brand new. There you go. I'm doing the corner right now. Ooh. And if you guys notice it or not, it has kind of dark spots as well. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the one that's 2 months old and that's not washed. Okay, are you ready? Because I'm ready. Oh wow. Ooh, as you guys can see, this one is so much more different than the other guys. Oh my god, it's cringing me so bad. Why it looks horrible. And look at the stains. Can you guys see it? Has it molded or something? I don't know what it is. This is a little bit cleaner part, as you guys can see. There you go. We got to the cleanest part now. Can you guys see the difference? Oh my goodness. Ooh, it looks so much better. I feel better now. Can you guys see those little spots? What do you guys think it is? These beauty blenders are gross. Oh my goodness. Make sure to wash your beauty blender every single day. I wash my beauty blender every single day before I use it, but look at this. Oh my goodness. And you know what? I have also the one that is even older than the 2 month old. Look at this green one. This one probably I have it for 3 months. I have no idea why I never tossed them before. But this is old, but this is black color. I have no idea if the microscope will be able to capture it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one as well. I have no idea how this one is gonna look like. So this is obviously, as you guys can see, a black color. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the bottom. It has big holes too. So this beauty blender has been used up. Yeah, obviously this one has stained so much, as you guys can see. More than anything, all I see is just the black holes and a lot of yellow dots. Obviously it's from the foundation. I am so glad that they're not moving, those yellow dots, or I would literally freak out. You guys have no idea. I would literally freak out. I would be like, what the hell? Whew. Alright guys, I literally have tested all of these beauty blenders that I do have in front of me, and you guys got to see how it looks like under the microscope. If you are wondering, how the brand new beauty blender looks like, you got an idea. How the beauty blender you just have used looks like, you got an idea as well. And last but not least, if you're wondering the beauty blender that's not been used for 2 months and that's not been washed for 2 months or more, you guys got an idea as well. So hopefully this video kind of gave you an idea how gross your makeup tools can get. So make sure that you wash them frequently every single time that you use them, especially the beauty blender. Make sure that you wash it before you use it, because you never know what it has, so much bacteria. So much. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel as well. If you like these kind of videos, I will make sure to make videos like this more in the future. And also if you're interested about skincare and beauty as well, you are gonna love the channel. Alright guys, have a great day and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.